Hi everyone, my name is Jerome Silamar, a grade 12 student of Leibniz, and I'm here to have an experiment about intermolecular attractive force, or IMAF. Intermolecular force is the force of repulsion or attraction that act between the neighboring particles, and example is ions, atoms, and molecules. Intermolecular force is much weaker than intramolecular force. Through intermolecular force, we can identify the physical property of the molecules. Now I'm done explaining about intermolecular force or intermolecular attractive force. Now we can proceed to introduction of materials of this experiment. And this is the materials that we need to use when we proceed with the experiment. And first one here is salt, acetone, dye color or food coloring, glitters, water. The first thing we need to do is to put this glitter in empty glass, and this is it. As you can see, glitters. And the second thing we need to do is put the acetone into the glitters. And as you can see, the glitters easily dissolved by the acetone. And the next thing we do is to have in a glass of water, as a little amount of glass in the water, and dye color. And as we can see, the dye color or the food coloring is easily dissolved into the water. And now we have these two mixtures, the water with dye and the acetone with glitters. And the next thing we do is combine them in an empty glass, and here it is. And now, how can we come up the separation of the two colors or the two mixtures of the dye with water and the acetone and uh, glitters? And all we need to add is the salt. The sodium ions and the chloride ions are strongly attractive to the water molecules, so that's why the color separation takes place. And so as we can observe, the color mixture becomes two. The mixture of acetone separates from the mixture of the water and food color. And as what I said earlier, the sodium ions and the chloride ions are strongly attractive to the water molecules. And that's we called is ion dipole force. What is ion dipole force is quite strong. In fact, their attractions is so strong that water molecules and ions are strong stick together, so that they push the acetone upward or they separate the acetone. See? Less strong hydrogen bonding between the water molecules and the acetone that which continue to take place and pushing the acetone out, and we come up to this result, the color separation of the two mixture combine and how to separate them again. And thank you, and this is my short experiment about intermolecular attractive force, and I hope you gain some knowledge about this my little experiment. And thank you. Bye.